Melting and freezing are two important processes in chemistry that involve the transformation of a substance from a solid state to a liquid state or vice versa. These processes are essential in a wide range of chemical and physical phenomena, and understanding them is crucial for the study and application of chemistry. In this article, we will provide an overview of the principles behind melting and freezing in chemistry, and discuss their applications and significance. Melting, the process of changing a solid to a liquid. Melting is the process by which a solid substance is transformed into a liquid state. This process occurs when heat is applied to a solid substance, causing its internal energy to increase and its intermolecular forces to weaken. As the temperature of the solid increases, the intermolecular forces holding the molecules together weaken, allowing the molecules to move more freely and eventually break apart, forming a liquid. The temperature at which a substance melts is known as its melting point, and it is a characteristic property of the substance. The melting point is determined by the strength of the intermolecular forces holding the molecules together, as well as the shape and size of the molecules themselves. The melting process can also be affected by the presence of impurities or other substances. Impurities can lower the melting point of a substance, making it easier to melt. This is why salt is often added to ice on roads during winter. The salt lowers the melting point of the ice, causing it to melt at a lower temperature and making it easier to remove. Applications of melting. Melting is an important process in a wide range of chemical and physical phenomena. Some of the most common applications of melting include metalworking. Melting is used to transform metals from a solid to a liquid state, allowing them to be shaped and molded into various forms. This process is used in a wide range of industries, including construction, manufacturing, and jewelry making. Cooking and food science. Melting is used in cooking to transform solid ingredients such as chocolate, butter, and cheese into a liquid state, allowing them to be mixed and incorporated into other ingredients. Melting is also used in food science to transform substances such as gelatin into a liquid state, allowing them to be molded and shaped. Materials science. Melting is used in materials science to transform substances such as polymers and ceramics from a solid to a liquid state, allowing them to be molded and shaped into various forms. This process is used in the manufacture of a wide range of materials, including plastics, composites, and ceramics. Freezing, the process of changing a liquid to a solid. Freezing is the process by which a liquid substance is transformed into a solid state. This process occurs when a liquid is cooled below its freezing point, causing its internal energy to decrease and its intermolecular forces to strengthen. As the temperature of the liquid decreases, the intermolecular forces holding the molecules together strengthen, causing the molecules to move less freely and eventually bond together, forming a solid. The temperature at which a substance freezes is known as its freezing point, and it is a characteristic property of the substance. The freezing point is determined by the strength of the intermolecular forces holding the molecules together, as well as the shape and size of the molecules themselves. The freezing process can also be affected by the presence of impurities or other substances. Impurities can raise the freezing point of a substance, making it more difficult to freeze. This is why salt is often added to ice on